Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another update. Welcome to our village home. It's your village landlord here. As you can see, I'm sitting receiving fresh air from the village. So ndiri village guys, tripa villa pedu. These days I'm coming with updates after update. So today ndine update here. My floor tiles edu arikuiswa, they are still in progress. So they started yesterday and they are almost done. Like they are left with one room and some finishings, so they'll finish tomorrow. And this is the results so far, guys. These are the results so far of our floor tiles. Pakato iswa ma tiles and achiri kuiswa akatanga iswa ni zuro. I did a video achitanga kuiswa, guys, and pampangori panzvimbo padiki. And today ndauya kuzokuratidzai kuti aiwa the progress is progressing. Here's the update. Pa veranda paiswa but pane mapatsi asara, and then mu lounge medu, mu kitchen, mu passage, rimwe bedroom, and the master bedroom is what is left, and they're doing it now and they'll finish tomorrow because it's already 2:04 and they want to put grout and stuff cleaning, and they'll be done by tomorrow. So this is the progress so far. I don't know which way should I start, the veranda or the kitchen, or let me just start with the veranda. So the veranda is not yet done, guys. They're still, they're still doing their job. And this is Chanel, say hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Imba. You're building your house. Okay. This is our panel. This is our farama tiles. So this is our veranda. So the tiles that are veranda are the same tiles arimo bathroom medu pasi per floor. So for those of you who wana kuona video repa veranda rim toilet, I'm going to show you as well. So this is our veranda, guys. They are still working on it. They are still working on our veranda. So this is our veranda. It's very warm. So we're still working on it. And then also left with one box inside. So I had to start. So I want you guys to rate them. How? So now I'm lounge, guys. So this is the color that I decided to choose. Any color, guys, I'm Ozara Mazone, put plain white, you better than black. You're gonna say even. Like I decided, I want something different. In a cow, grayish cow, without even so color. I'm not going to color so I'm not looking at it, and I'm just loving it, guys, on my veranda. And here's the lounge. Here is the lounge. Look how grayish cow, blacky cow. So this is our lounge. This is our lounge. I'm setting up here. I should shanda. Here's our lounge. Dacha. Rupis. I don't know. Do no freak it up. Okay, no freak it up. Alright. So like this. Cool. No freak it up. Right. So this is our kitchen now. This is our very beautiful. So those are right edge. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. so hanzi anonzi machiko iyo chirungu chacho ndachikanganwa but ari box anenge ari 3 anenge ari 4 anenge ari different box 1 so they are like this. Let me show you this first. Muri kuona iri amarona izvi rakaita iri and then tobva tauya panapa then ona iri harina zvimwe line rakadai so handiti hamuri kuona mona difference yazvo tobva tauya panapa iri ratori rimwe futi iri is different from the first one randakuradzidzai kuti munatsoona different handiti iri ndo randakuradzidzai first muri kuona iri ne brown kari nako iri rakaita black ne white iri it's plain and then we also have the plain one. Let me see. So yeah, it's not that plain jaro iri ne design kakadai so ndo zvakaita matiles edu ndo zvakaita so handizivo choice yangu takamira sei but I love them. That's how I mansion, that's how I villa, guys. So home kitchen. Do you know what, guys? I've realized that camera inoboritsa zvinhu zvitenge zvidiki but zviri zvihombe. Mukona distance from that side to that side, it's like it's a small distance but pahombe pakura. I think I'll come with the measurements because some of you guys munondibvunza my measurements, so I will come with the measurements of our house. Kuti bedroom redu rakakura sei, the other one kitchen rakakura sei, the lounge, the toilet, so that muzive wanditi because vamwe vanenge vachidawo masize akaita sei anaya saka ndo kitchen medu. So kitchen yedu inenge chigomero nechepanapa handiti apa so ndo matiles edu aya atakachuza sa village landlord kudai so vakadecide kuchuza matiles akadai sei village lenders. That's what I decided to choose. And then lounge, let's go to our passage here. This is our passage like this. Let me show you. Let me do something like a 360 and show you what materials they are. I just say, guys, and I can great color. And then for those of you guys who are going to materials in toilet, I'm actually going to find it for Veranda pass. And I'm trying to pass. Nezvinhu vanhu vari kushanda mabhegi avo chichi because vari kushandira murume vangu vachigara. So this is our bathroom, guys. For those of you vasati vanga vasina kuona, this is our bathroom. The other side. Come on. To another bedroom. So, no, I'm set my plate. I'm lounge in the kitchen. My side or side. No, I'm sat. Was I'm sat my plate. No, my side up. Side up. That's why I start on fit among one masala up. So I just decided to put my same tiles in by I found in my bedroom, dining, kitchen. So there and then I'm going to go around. So my tiles are there. This is our second bedroom. That's up here.
Azomuna aifara. Ya kama ni Douglas.
A menos não Pane akatsvaka bhaketi rokugezera mazoro ana. Akatsvaka bhaketi rokugezera. Ha?
Ndiri kagezera urero ndoita.
Madani?
Yes.
Oh. Nyawiri.
Nyawiri changa.
Oh, nyawiri.
Changa bhaketi.
Ndiri ndanga changa bhaketi ndakugezera.
Naona ndikuita nasina mboigeza. Baba
kana sisini yangu. Ndika kuisa majega. Ndocha FIFA chote. FIFA. Kanga ngisi. Brian sisa tori ya. Yaja kurimbira nazikani. Anye gas.
Anye gas.
Gas kusese. Ya utiro para no pisa.
Já.
Ya nem gas é no wisa tem dollars utinga gas. Kuja tuanze hizi kana pisa tu.
Não, essa mina não tem aqui. Eu nem queria
Oh.
Dada.
Ati hoje.
Hã?
Azizi yote.
Hayo mtomora haya.
No pisa maji mfunzo chindira maji.
Hayo pisa maji.
Chobwali.
Ingwe pisa.
Unachaga gachembere jeje yona pisa mbero.
Oh,
No this. Anga gezona tungura mo. Shada zinazi. Wanje ro tawte mbero kizo.
hadi gazelo ndore. Datiba, toda kapapa. Wesea. Nisi kwa direi. Alwa kusiba mama kodai.
Usibati yamdai. Usibunzi kende.
Isso não é nada. Não precisa. Dega liga. Não Gente, eu fiz a madela.
Esse esteja toa com América. Desimbo.
Das madelas, tudo isso aí.
Não vou levar.
Já você já vamos dar essa, quer dar você. A gente manda para você tua bem.
Tá pera, Haya.